If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2019 Nissan Kicks SV in black. With automatic headlamps, electronic stability control, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, rear window wiper and washer, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 14,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, SIRIUSXM radio, split folding rear seats, 1.6-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com. Stock number D6779A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.